All right, so we have our Move on Climate article, which will in time become assignment 2.1. However, today we're just going to annotate it. Well, what does that mean? Think of it this way. Whenever you annotate something, you write your thoughts and you jot down important information. So think of annotation as whatever it is you need to point out in order to kind of connect with the article. All right, so we can look for important information and then we can add our own thoughts and opinions as we read. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate how I annotate. All right, so the first thing I notice now that my article is open says, how fast will Biden need to move on climate? Really, really fast. Okay, so here's the thing. I think that this is a recent article because it looks like Biden is in office. However, if I need proof, here is my date. All right, so February 2nd, 2021. This is actually when the article was published. All right, so I highlight that and I'm going to go over to this little blue plus and say add comment. All right, and then this is where I can put my thoughts, notes, date published. All right, think of date published as when it was shared with others. All right, so I'm going to read on. The other thing I noticed, a picture. All right, well, maybe they gave me a picture for a reason. So I'm going to check out the caption. Captions are the small words around pictures that explain the picture. All right, it says President Biden prepares to sign executive orders after speaking about climate change issues in the state dining room of the White House on January 27th. All right, so it's definitely during his presidency. It's a recent article. All right, when you're ready to actually start annotating the text, my recommendation is try to have at least one annotation per paragraph. That's just my advice. You may have a lot more. All right, so I'm going to do the first paragraph with you. It says, in a flurry of first week executive orders, President Biden sent a definitive message that his administration would move faster on climate change than any before. Now the question is whether it will be fast enough. All right, so again, I can annotate important information or even my thoughts and opinions. So when I see stuff like President Biden will have his administration move faster on climate change than any before, well, I'm going to highlight that part. All right, his administration is moving faster than any before. So when you ask me what my connection with this part is, again, it can be my thoughts and opinions about the article. I'm going to add my comment, and I can say, maybe this means that climate change is a priority for him. Okay? All right. So again, they're comparing his administration to others. So my connection means, okay, well, if he's moving faster than any other administration before, it must mean it's a priority. All right. So I will add my comment. And again, that's just my thinking. All right. You all in the first paragraph may have had different thoughts. All right. So the goal is to include at least one annotation or comment for each paragraph. All right. All right. You guys can continue to read. Let us know if you guys have questions.